In this video, we will know that how to install Chrome browser on Windows 7 and how to fix this error your browser is not supported anymore to continue your search upgrade to recent version. So how to fix it, this problem we will know that step by step in this video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So guys, let's start the video. Download the old version of Chrome browser. Okay, so if you have laptop, please open it, and if you have mobile, you can download Google Chrome version there. Okay, so we have a laptop, so I will download from here Chrome browser installer. So open Google Chrome on other browser, any browser on other laptop or mobile, and type here old version of Chrome browser for Windows 7 and press enter from the keyboard. So we have a Windows 7 64-bit. After that guys, you can see here this link. Click here this link, download older version of Google Chrome for Windows, and scroll down, and after that guys, download, there are a Google Chrome Windows version. Okay, if you have Windows operating system 32-bit, download it, and if you have 64, download this. So we have Windows 7 64-bit. So click this first link 104, click on it, it will download automatically this Chrome browser installer. So guys, after download this installer, copy this installer and after that open your Windows 7 and paste here on desktop or any folder. So we have already paste here, so right click on this installer and click here run as administrator. So guys, you can see here your Chrome browser getting installed on your Windows 7. So guys, you can see here your Chrome browser get installed on your Windows 7. You can use it and check any theme here. Okay, so if you want to skip it and set a default no thanks, and search any website here like Google, Yahoo, as you want. So you can see here your internet, your Chrome browser is working here. You can use it. Okay. And if you want to upgrade this, click here update option. Click here help and about Google Chrome. Click here, it will update automatically. So you can see here. You can see here it will automatically updating. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.